The opposition leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, is warning not to fall into a false sense of assurance that the security forces operation in special zones alone will solve crime. Dr. Phillips was speaking at a luncheon in St. Catherine yesterday. TVJ's Dashin Hendricks reports.
Crime continues to surge with multiple murders in various parishes, almost a daily occurrence. The government has rushed the Zones of Special Operations Bill through Parliament, hoping that from the middle of this month, the security forces will have new powers to cauterize the scourge. But opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips is keen to warn Jamaicans not to believe the security forces, even operating under the provisions of the new bill, will be able to contain crime without getting more resources.
The truth of the matter is that we have heard that there is need for substantial increase of resources for the police force. We said so ourselves in the budget debate. It seems as if it is now being discovered 2 months after the budget passed that they need more resources. But it's self-evident you can't cut $2 billion from the budget of the security ministry and expect that they're going to be able to meet the challenge, which is at a high point as it is now.
But he didn't stop there. The man who is positioning himself to lead the country in the future expressed dismay at the silence from civil society groups over runaway murders, which are threatening to reach new heights for a calendar year in 2017.
The country has to be mobilized. This is a task that cannot be performed by government alone. This is a task that requires the mobilization of all well-thinking Jamaicans. The church, the clergy, the school system, the private sector, citizens association, everyone who is on the side of justice and peace needs to be mobilized to resist the onslaught of criminality, which is the main threat right now to the survival of our nation.
He admits the threat has been with us for some time and reflects the failure of successive governments to create a more equal society. Dashin Hendricks, TVJ News.